How to change screensaver on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. You can also access the wallpaper gallery by touching and holding the lock screen. Now, tap on Customize below your current lock screen as shown. Over here, you can swipe to get a preview of different styles available. You can also change the font color, style, and size of the time and date. You can add more widgets of your choice. Once you customize the screen according to your preference, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change screensaver iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.